The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Government Federal Emergency Management Agency and Cyber Command. The United States Cyber Command is issuing the following warning to all computer and tablets use that new Kidztube. The kid vision of YouTube is have bad hack with very bad flashing light that can cause the following symptom including headaches, dizziness, nausea, and some case seizures. At this point you are in great danger of losing your life. Please listen to the following instructions to protect your life and those around you. YouTube have closed Kidztube effect until further notice. You should have kids watch TV cable and stream side until problem fix. If you kid already have medical emergency, call 911 and don't do watch kid YouTube or kid YouTube for safely. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This updated to National Information Center statement issued 2 hours ago. Hackerware start to be identified in city of Bethel Park outside of city Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The Allegheny County Police Department are working to identify suspects. Only one have identified named Jerry McDonald's, a 38 years old male, white with black hair, green eyes. He was last seen on February 4th at 6 p.m. at head home from Noodles and Company on Fort Couch Road at South Hills Village Mall outside of Bethel Park. If you see this suspect or have info about him, please call 911. Stay tuned for more info on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at request United States government. Jerry McDonald's, the hacker who started Kidztube hack, have been arrested in his home outside Bethel Park by the police, and all residences in United States are safe to watch YouTube and Kidztube at this time. Your government thanks for your cooperation during this emergency.